Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Home Maintenance 101, where we try to bring you some tips to help take care of your home so your home takes care of you. And what I wanted to use as a topic today was your furnace and your AC unit. So there's probably not a whole lot that most of us can do to help take care of our furnace or AC on a yearly basis. A couple basic things: change your furnace filter. Depending on your brand, make, and model, you can typically find those at any do-it-yourself center. If not, check online and you can probably find them there like I did. For your AC unit, you can check to make sure that the line's going from the exterior AC unit to the house. There's some insulation that's wrapped around those lines. You can make sure that that is in good shape and rodents haven't gotten to it. If it has, you can usually pick up that insulation from a do-it-yourself center. Otherwise, call a professional to come out there. Depending on who you're talking to, could be anywhere from $200 to $300 to get those serviced every year. But they're going to look for things like your heat exchanger, make sure it's not cracked and you don't have gas leaks. They're going to check the ignition, they're going to check the computer, they'll check the thermostat, make sure all those things are operating correctly. And now AC units have gone through a recent change, so Freon is not available any longer. So they may need to look a little bit deeper into your AC unit. If you need to find someone to help you take a look at your units, give me a call, send me a text message, 419-367-2667, and I can refer someone to you that can come out and do a service on your units. We recommend it every year, preferably in the spring before the heat starts to hit the systems. But even if you have the time now, this would be great, and before we go into a cold, long winter. I hope this was helpful for you. You guys take care and have a great weekend.